In today's tutorial, we will show you how quick and easy it is to use PopVideo Converter 2.0 to create great quality videos for use in iClone, Widgetcast, or other third-party video editors. To begin, just import your green or blue screen video. Once it is open, you will be able to preview your video with the Sync button in order to synchronize your work with the audio. On the top, you will find the rotate buttons to correct any unintentional camera positions. We have also provided zoom in and zoom out functions for better ease of viewing. To begin the process, go to the Auto Mask panel on your right. There you will find the one-click Chroma-key button. This will automatically remove your background. You will also notice that there is a green screen and a blue screen button. Choose the one that applies to your video. On the left side of the screen, you will notice 3 video preview options: mask video, source video, and transparent video. The mask view will allow you to preview your mask video in real time. You will also be able to preview your pop video, in other words your transparent video, as your results start coming along. Once you activate the Chroma-key button, you will be able to use the color similarity function. This enables you to increase or decrease the mask area. The best way is to make sure your slider is all the way to the left, and slowly start adjusting to the right until you see the large green clots disappear. After using color similarity, you will need to readjust for small details with the Edge Restoration tool. This will help you restore small tears and imperfections along your target's edge. The Halo Correction feature will help you desaturate minor green or blue halos. This will change unwanted green or blue light that surrounds your target. The idea is to move the slider until you find a gray balance between Magneta and the halo's original color. During footage capturing, sometimes your background color source will transpose itself onto your target surface. To correct this, just use a spill threshold to gradually correct the color that is spilled over and onto your target. The transparency feature is often used to correct see-through issues with hair and glass, but you can also use it to restore certain mask tearing that occurs during the process. The idea is to use all the necessary tools to create the best finish in your video. Sometimes you will be working with footage that has not been fully fitted with a background screen. In this case, just use the mask brush settings to mask out those unwanted areas. You can also choose a mask out color to give you a reference on the areas you wish to exclude. Once you are done, the tool will automatically remove the areas you brushed over. You also have the mask expand slider. This will enable you to increase the edge around your target for better viewing and detail fixing. The color of the mask edge can also be chosen. This is very useful in order to help you blend your target with its future background. So if you plan to later drop your target onto an orange background, then just set it into your target's edge for a seamless fit. If you want to give your target a cleaner, smoother feeling around the edges, then you can use the mask blur function. But it is highly recommended not to add too much mask blur, as this will consume more computer resources. Usually 1 or 2 number adjustments should do nicely. Once you have finished tweaking your parameters, it is recommended that you thoroughly review your video with a mask view or transparent view. You can play the entire length of your video with sync on in order to synchronize your audio while you playback. Or you can choose sync off to do an automatic frame-by-frame review without audio. If your computer doesn't have enough processing power, then we recommend you preview on sync off. You can also do a frame-by-frame time review with your arrow keys, front and back. If there is any mask tearing or quality issues in your preview, then you would need to return to the previous steps to do further adjustments. When you are ready to export your video, just go to the Output tab. There you will find 3 format options: PopVideo for iClone, iWidget for WidgetCast, and Mass Video in AVI format. Later, adjust the video quality and the audio quality. You can also choose your output time section. This can be done by inputting the time ranges or by manually sliding the triangles at the bottom edges of the timeline. We have also provided a crop video setting which will help you crop out any unnecessary video areas that will only make your file size larger. But remember to always preview your entire video in order to make sure that your target doesn't leave the recently cropped areas. At the end, just choose your output size and your output frames per second and press convert. Once you finish converting your project, feel free to transport your video to its respective program. In iClone 4, we are able to simply drag and drop the finished PopVideo file as a billboard. This allows us to bring any real-life host into a virtual 3D environment.